Hi, it's Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso. And I wanted to show you a really cool way to share articles. Those are, LinkedIn's blog posts, as it were, from your connections on LinkedIn in a way that's super easy, super fast, and I think a little bit more effective than, hey, read this. So the first thing is, find someone who actually writes articles. So we're looking at Tamara's articles right now. You'll click through to that article and then find something in the article that you want to quote. So I'll just come down here and, it's bolded, so I'm going to assume it's a good quote. Now, obviously, you want to read the article first. You're going to grab that link and then click on Share on LinkedIn. So see how it pulled that article up, or pulled that piece of text up? So now I can describe the post a little bit more. Obviously, I would tag Tamara on it since it's hers and I'm sharing it. And I would want other people to follow her as well. Add relevant hashtags. And when you're ready, post it. Now, that's great, and so I've already posted this because of my second video on it. But here's another cool thing. Let's just say you're not quite ready to post it, but you do want to save the article for later. One of the things that you can do is click on X. So I'm not ready yet to share this. So instead, I'm going to save the draft. And now I can save that article, and I can always come back into it later. And where you find those drafts are, if you go into your profile, so let me go back to the home screen. There we are. If you go to your profile, you'll see down here it says Saved Articles. And so there's Tamara's article. And I can always go back in and share it again. So I'll have to do the same process. It looks like you can save the original draft, and I think that is the intention. I just think right now it's a little bit glitchy. So eventually I think we'll be able to save that draft with the copy and then be able to share it again. But at least for right now, you can either very quickly pull a quote and share that quote with your update, or you can also save the article for later. So if you want to go through your feed, find several articles that you want to share and save them, you can do that too. And that'll make sharing at a later date a little bit easier to do. So I just wanted to show you that really cool new option from LinkedIn.